Semi-final project. In-game development. Our own version of Flappy Bird. This is our character for the game, named Jetsus. Let's start the gameplay. This is the game world. It is in a night mode. This is what it looks like when it is in a day mode. This is our character. The character's head move like this during the game or when it flap. The players need to click the mouse in order for the character to move up. The character needs to pass an obstacle without hitting it. Once the character passed to that obstacle, there is 1 point. In every obstacle there's a corresponding 1 point which always add to the score. The obstacle change its position continuously. Our character's goal or mission is to pass or overcome in every obstacle without hitting it. This is what will happen to the character if it hit the obstacles. This is the play button. This must be the only button you need to click for you to play it again, because it will not work if you click is the other part of the screen. In addition, the player can't flap too much because we put boundaries on the top in order for the character not to lose during the gameplay. And this is what happens when the character flap too much. The character will also die if it hits the ground. Let's play it again. That's all our project. Thank you.